What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to lock apps on your iPhone using Face ID or a passcode. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Not all apps allow you to use Face ID to access them by default. The best way to find out which apps can use Face ID is to use your Settings application. Open it up and here tap on Face ID and Passcode. After entering your passcode, tap on Other apps. You will be presented with a list of apps which allow you to use Face ID or a passcode to get access. In case the app you wish to lock is not available here, then you should make use of Screen Time app limits to use Face ID or a passcode on any app on your iPhone. Back in your main settings, tap on Screen Time. Make sure to enable Screen Time if it's not yet enabled, and create a new passcode. When this is done, select App Limits. This will allow you to search for the application you wish to lock on your iPhone. Find it in one of these categories, or simply search for the name of the app. Select to add the app, and you can then proceed to block access to the application after 1 minute of usage. This will make sure that a user will be asked for Face ID authentication or a passcode to get access to the application. If you prefer to use Face ID or a passcode to access your photos, contacts, or specific settings on your device, then you should make use of Screen Time, Content and Privacy restrictions. Here, you can enable content restrictions, and after entering your passcode, you can proceed to allow or deny future changes to these services and apps, which can be made by other apps or users. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.